Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all keeping well. I've got a lovely little video for you today. I'm making bakery style almond croissants. I picked these croissants up in Tesco's today. They're about 2 days old, so they're absolutely perfect to make almond croissants with. Let's get started. All right everyone, we're going to make an almond frangipan or a frangipan cream for the center of the croissants. So in here, I've got some nice soft butter, and into this, I'm going to add in some sugar. And now we're going to whisk this for a couple of minutes until it's nice and soft. All right, now let's add 1 egg. And our last ingredient is ground almonds. Get them all in there. And we're going to mix this now for about 2 minutes. And just get a spatula and scrape down the sides of the bowl. And that's our almond frangipan all done. Now all that's left for us to do is to get this into our croissants. I've popped my croissants onto a baking tray that I've lined with greaseproof paper, and I've cut them in half, just like that. So I've just popped the almond frangipan into a piping bag and a tip. You don't need to use this, you can just use a spoon and split the mixture between the 4 croissants. Just make sure to keep back enough of the frangipan to cover the top of the croissants. And I'm just going to pipe a little bit like this and pop the top on and push it down. Now all that's left to be done is for us to pop some of the frangipan on top of each of the croissants. So let's do that now. So just spread it out like that. And now we're just going to get some sliced almonds on top. Push them down as you add them. You want them to stick to the frangipan. And that's our frangipan croissants all done. These are ready now for the oven. We're going to bake these for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just keep an eye on them. These are ready, fully baked. Just look at them. I'm absolutely delighted with these. The flaked almonds on top are a beautiful golden colour. They look wonderful, I have to say, and I can't wait to try them. So we're just going to let these cool for about half an hour, and then I'm going to sieve some ice and sugar on top of them. Now all that's left to be done is for us to shake over a little bit of icing sugar. And there you have them. Those are my bakery style almond croissants. Don't they look fabulous? Okay, let's break one open so you can see the inside. I'm going to go for this one. And you can hear that lovely crunch. So crunchy. All those layers of flaky pastry. And you can see the frangipan inside. Gorgeous. Just look at that. These are absolutely gorgeous. You're going to love them. I love almond croissants anyway. They're one of my favourites. It's something I always order when I go into the local coffee shop. These are way better than anything I've bought in a coffee shop. I can guarantee you're going to love them. All right everyone, thanks again for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. Please subscribe and follow my page if you haven't already. Have a lovely weekend. Try out the almond croissants and let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. I'd love to hear from you. All right everyone, happy baking everyone. Enjoy!